Hello everyone, this is KP and I welcome you to this video. And as you can see on the screen, today we are going to discuss about Hacktoberfest 2021. So this fest will help you in making your GitHub profile more stronger. If you know what is open source, then it will boost your open source contribution also. Last year I had participated in this. Some of my friends also participated. After completing some quest, there are some requirement. If you fulfill them, then you will be eligible to get some cool swags such as some stickers, t-shirts, etc. So stay tuned and watch the video till end. I will be explaining everything step by step, how to register, how to do the things, and how you can also win. So let's quickly start. So this is the website hacktoberfest.digitalocean.com, and you can read about this. Open source is changing the world and some more. I'll put all these links below in the description. And so what is Hacktoberfest? This is 8th year they are saying. That's great. It is happening only in October. So very nice website, cool website. You can visit and see what are the rules, regulation, etc. So let me quickly start. So the first requirement to start with this is you must have a GitHub account, or if you have a GitLab account, that is also fine. So I have one GitHub account. Let me open that. But if you don't know how to create GitHub account, I will put another link in the description where I have shown how to create GitHub account. So let me open mine. So this is my GitHub account. You can also visit. So this is why required. I will be explaining. Okay, so let's jump back. So as you can see this button, start hacking. I'll click on this. So they are saying step one. What is the step one? To get started, you will need to sign up with your GitHub account. If you don't have GitHub, then also GitLab will be there, but I prefer GitHub. Okay, so let's go with GitHub. I'm clicking on this. Let's see what happens now. And okay, there is some internal server error. Let me try again. I'm clicking on sign up with GitHub again. So now it is found, as I'm already logged in with my GitHub account. As you can see, I've already signed in as my name, and that's why it is asking for authorization. I'm clicking on authorize Hacktoberfest, and now it is authorized. Now it is asking about me. So this is the step number 2, and you have some rules and values. So one of my email address I am selecting. Then my location, suppose I'm giving India. I'm from India only. Then I'm a participant. I'm not a maintainer, not event organizer. So I'll click on this, and you can read these things. I understand by opting to receive updates. These things you can also check this box. Then just go and read the privacy policy. I have seen some of them, and I'm clicking this tick box and click on next. Now they are saying start hacking, happy hacking. So these are some of the things. What are the values, what are the quality standards, reduce spams and rules, etc. All these things I'll be explaining here in video, but if you want to read again, you can go and read. So just check these boxes and click on start hacking. Let's wait. Okay, by the meantime, we can go to some another page. You can see this is my profile. When you will register, you can see your name and your profile. Okay, so this is one page I have opened. Participation, I will provide all these links, this one as well as this one, as well as my GitHub account in the description. You can go and read from there. So what are the rules? So if you know GitHub contains repositories. Repositories are like folders. So there is something called pull request. So if I'm a participant, as you can see, participant goal, there is 1 2 3 4. You have to complete 4 things, and I have total completed 0, and in progress also 0. Okay, so I have not made any contribution. They are saying also, oh no, you have not made any pull request yet. So I will show how to request this thing, that is pull request. Okay, so you can just go and read. One important thing I want to say, this year the first 50,000 participant can only earn t-shirt. Last time what has happened, everybody for winning the t-shirt has started spamming and all. So that's why they have added some more thing. If a maintainer reports your pull request as spam, it will not be counted. Okay, and some more things are there, you can go and read. Okay, I will be doing the same thing here practically. Then how to reduce the spam or invalid, these are some things you can just read. Okay, I will put this link below. So first thing, let me explain. After registration, okay, the first requirement is you should have a GitHub account. First thing. Then the second thing is register here. After register, you can see this screen. Okay, your profile. Then the third thing, go to your GitHub account. Okay, I am here present. These are some of my details. These are my repositories. I have 46 repos. Okay, first thing, I need to do open source contribution. How do I contribute? Somebody, some person has some repository, they've written some code, something. I will go through it. If I feel like I can add some more thing, I can do some enhancement, or I can find a bug, it is giving some error. If you add this, this will solve this issue. Something like this. You can do that thing. Suppose I know one of my friend who has helped me by giving his account to make this video successful. I am typing his name, okay, and I will search one of his repository. Let me search in all GitHub. Okay, so this person, I'm going clicking on users. He is my friend. Okay, so he has some repository, some Java code, DSA, some more. Okay, so suppose here is one folder called sorting Python. I'm clicking on that, and as you can see, this contains the sorting program: bubble sort, heap sort, insertion sort. So the very first thing you need to do after creating your repository is go to any person's contribution, any person's repository. First thing you need is fork it. Here you can see one button, fork. If I click on fork, what will happen? Let's see. So now as you can see, this sorting Python folder, or I can say repository, has been copied to my account. Previously it was in this Presun 420. This account it was there, but now it is copied. Okay. Then after this file, or if I can say this folder is copied into my account, now I can do many changes in it as per my requirement. Suppose here it is saying help people interested in this repository. So basically it is asking to add a readme. So I'm clicking on that. Basically I'm doing some changes. Okay, some valid changes. It is not like anything spamming. Okay, so this is a MD file, that is markdown file. So let me add some contents. As you can see, I'm adding this repo contains sorting program in Python. You can see in the preview how it looks. So it is something called bold, and what else was there? I think one was insertion sort, one was bubble sort. So I can write list, or I can say list of programs available here. Then I'm putting one hyphen, and first was I think bubble sort. Then I can say another one was insertion sort. Now let me check how it is looking. Yes, it is looking good. Okay, so now I have added something. I checked in the preview, it is looking fine. If you want to add more something, you can add. Okay, then go to below. Here it is already written create a readme file, or I can say any comment I can give. Created a readme.md file, also added some contents. So I am committing a new file, commit. Okay, so as you can see, this branch is one commit I had, and just ignore this part. Or first thing I can do, let me do fetch and merge the upstream. You may not require this. And after saying this, you may not require this fetch this upstream. After doing the changes in your repository, see, this is my repository, right? my account. Inside that I have sorting Python, this folder. So it is my account, my repository. After doing changes in it, I have added the readme file. As you can see here, it is available. One more is there, that is bubble insertion as well as heap sort. So let me edit heap sort, HEAPSORT, heap sort. Okay. So again, this will be the same update readme, added heap sort in the contents. Okay, now I'm committing. So I have added something. Now if I go back to the repository, you can see this branch is 3 commits ahead. Maybe 1 commit, 2 commit, 3 commit, no issues, but this would be ahead of the previous from which I have forked. Now you can go to this pull request and here click on new pull request, or one thing you can do, here it is one button called contribute. Here you can directly do the open pull request. I have clicked on it and they are checking able to merge. Then you can see it is asking for create pull request. Just click on that. I'm giving the title, added the readme.md file. First thing I'm writing this, also added some contents. Okay, you can check the preview. It is looking something like this. Now I'm clicking create pull request. Okay, so the very first thing required is you should have a GitHub account. The next thing is you need to fork someone's repository, where you can think you can add some more contents or you can enhance the person's repository. Then do the changes, then create a pull request. Now the person whose repository you have copied, or I can say fork, he needs to be, or he or she needs to be check this and do the merging. So see here, I have given the pull request. Now as my friend, this person Prasun Chakravarti, he has the GitHub account. This he has given me his account and password, also credentials. I have logged in with another browser, Firefox browser. So I will show, now I am another person. Now I will show you how the another person will be merging your this pull request, how it will be accepted. Till now, if you see, this is my profile. I'm refreshing it. Let it load completely. Okay, so let's wait. Till now, as you can see, yeah, it is saying no contribution, because the another person, the front person, should be merging it. After that you can see your contribution. Okay, in progress it will be there. Okay, so let's jump to Firefox. Okay, so as you can see, this is my Firefox browser, and here I have logged in with another person, that is Prasun 420. Okay, so I'm going to his account. This is his account. Actually I've logged in with his account. So you can see this sorting Python, this repository. Here you can see there is one pull request. This is the pull request I have sent from my account to this account. So I will click on this. I am the another person right now. I'm not Krishna. Okay, so currently I'm Prasun. So Prasun is working here and he is saying edit the readme.md file. He will click on it and he will check created something, updated, and then something like this. After this he needs to merge here, or also he can see I have committed 3 times, I have changed something in the file. If he just clicks on merge, then it will be merged, no issues, but that will not be counted in Hacktoberfest. If you can see in here, the repository project is considered to be participating. This is this topic, and another um, requirement is an individual pull request can also be opted in directly by adding the Hacktoberfest accepted label. So there is a thing called label. You need to create that label and tag that label. Then you have to merge. Okay. So let me show you how you can do that. So this is the merging page from Prasun. And as you can see here, it is one thing called label. Go to settings, and here just go down. Here you can click on edit labels. Here you have 9 labels, I think. Okay, 10 labels. This is one I had created, but this is not working. I have already checked, so I'm deleting it. In your account it will not be there. Okay, so I have deleted. So total you can find 9 labels in your repository. Now you need to create one new label. Okay, so the label name should be, I have written somewhere in my notepad. I'm just copying that and paste it. I've given the label name. See, they are giving some random color. I suggest don't go with any random color. Whatever color code I'm giving here, I will also provide that. You just put the same color code. Okay, as you can see, this is the some kind of color, and this is the hex color code. Now I have created the label hacktoberfest accepted. All right. Now let me go to again pull request. Click on this, and I can see this thing here. I'm gonna attach this label, and you can see this hacktoberfest accepted label is present. Okay, as you can see, I've added the this part, and here it is saying Prasun added hacktoberfest accepted label now. Now I will do merge pull request. They are giving some message that is fine, confirm merge. Now it has been merged. As you can see this symbol, now it is changed merged. Now my pull request has been merged. If you refresh again or you see the this thing, you can see no pull request will be there. My pull request, whatever I have sent to Prasun, that has successfully merged. Okay. So for confirming, you can see this thing, contributor in this repository, Prasun himself is, he himself is there. Also, I am also present. Okay. So let me go to my forefront. See, this is Prasun's account. This repository, I cannot do anything. I'm going to my repository, and here I can see this one, sorting Python. And here I need to add one thing, that is I have one code, quick sort in Python. So I will add this. So if you have file, you can just upload, but I have the content, so I will create new file. So I will give the name is quicksort.py, and here I need to add the contents. So this is the quicksort program I have added, and here I'm leaving it as a quicksort.py and commit new file. See, this time now I am committing something interesting or maybe something valuable for this repository. Okay, so as you can see, this branch is one commit ahead. So now I can go to pull request, or you can do the same thing from there also. I am sending new pull request, and it is saying able to merge. Click on create pull request, created quicksort.py, added the code. Any description you want to give, perfect description you can give, and I'm clicking on create pull request. So now it's my friend's turn to merge this with the label. Okay, so let's jump to Firefox and see how to do that. Okay, so I'm refreshing this, again clicking on the repository. As you can see here, it is pull request 1. So click on that, click on this quicksort.py. First thing you need to do here is add a label, that is already created hacktoberfest accepted. Yes, my label is added. As you can see, Prasun added this label now. Now it is saying confirm pull request, confirm merge. Okay, all right. Now it is merged. Now let me go to again to Chrome browser, and let's see what happens in my profile. So in my GitHub profile, it is saying also merged. All right, so currently I am logged in with my account. So this is my repository. I can do changes in it. So if you have any program, you can just upload the file. But now I have only the content, so I'll create a new file. I have one sorting program with me, that is radix sort, radix sort.py. This is a Python file. So I've copied the contents. I'm adding the contents. Okay. So this is create radix sort.py. I'm clicking on commit new file. All right, so as you can see, this branch is one commit ahead of Prasun. So now I can contribute. So either you go to pull request or create, or here you can do contribute. Open pull request, and here it is saying something like this: create pull request. I had added something wrong here, so don't click on this. It won't be there in your account. So now just click on create pull request, and here it is create. I'm changing to added radix.py file, or I can say program. Copy the same thing. I'm adding that also in the description, and just I'm creating create pull request. All right, so it is checking. Now it's time to go to Presence account. So let's switch to Firefox. All right, so now I'm refreshing this page, I can say. So you can see this is one pull request. Click on that, added radix.program. As you can see, I need to first add this label hacktoberfest, label added, confirmed. Now merge pull request, confirm merge. Now whatever changes I have done in my repository, I have requested Prasun that please add this to your account. It is a good thing you can add to your account. So this person, he is the maintainer Prasun. He checked my profile, he checked the code I have added, and finally he merged. After that, I can go to my contribution page and check. So let's jump. So as you can see, it is showing already merge. Now let me check here, and let me refresh it once more. Let's wait. So guys, after refreshing, as you can see, my profile has come up. So let's go down, and you can see the total completed is still 0, but in progress there are 3. Okay, and if you see my contributions, you can see the first contribution, that is you have submitted the added readme.md file, and the second one, that is create quicksort.py, and the third one is radixsort.py. These three things I have done in this video, as you can see. And these two, one is create quicksort.py, another one is radixsort. In these two I have created some wrong things, some wrong code, as well as some wrong steps I had done actually. So that's why I have closed them. The merge request, or I can say the pull request, I closed them manually by myself. That's why you can see those are written project not participating. And other three valid one, first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. These three you are seeing matures in 14 days. What it means, in these 14 days they will be, I mean the Hacktoberfest team will be checking or reviewing whatever contribution I have done, if it is a spam or not, if it is a real valid one or not. Those things they will check, and after 14 days, these three progress. If they found all are valid, they will be added into completed part. So don't think that if you have done 4 pull request, that is your end. Just keep on doing this pull request, because you don't know what will be valid one, and due to some reason they may cancel someone. So that's why I will be creating some more, maybe 10 or 15 around. Maybe four is required. As you can see, there are 4 wheels, 1 2 3 4. After completion, the color will be changed to this, I think, orange color. Okay, so this is how you have to do contribution by pull request. Okay, and you can also learn something, share, and also you can see the multiple interesting projects. If you click on give, let me open. Here you can see donate to support open source project. Here are many interesting projects are there. You can go and search. Suppose I'm interested in Python, I'll search here Python. So you can see many Python projects. You can go and use these. Also, you can contribute all these things. So after you have done successfully 4 pull request, where is that? Here. Okay. After successful 4 pull request completed here, you are eligible to get your swags. So I think I can show you here event organizer kit. Let me check. event organizer kit, and we are not event organizer. Okay, so let me search Hacktoberfest 2021 swags. So you might see here what you will be getting: t-shirts and stickers. Okay, and what is the requirement is a full pull request eligible. Okay, and the peer should be labeled as this. So let me do one thing. I can open a notepad and write one by one what are the important steps you need to follow. First thing is, first point, step one. Okay, go and sign up your GitHub account, and then do login. This is first thing. Second thing is, register in Hacktoberfest 2021. This is the second thing. And third, go to somebody's GitHub account, fork one repository, fork the repo. So let me add here this thing, fork the repo. After getting the copy, do some valuable changes, or I can say commit, or commits. And after committing, now the work is the person whose repository you have copied. This is your work, this is your task, this is in your hand. So the next person, what he needs to do, he will be visiting your pull request he will visit, and then he will review if it is a valuable one for his repository or not. Then he will add the label. For the label, what he needs to do, create the label, then give the color. Before that, he should give the name. Give the name, give the color. Then next thing is add the label before merging. Then fifth thing is merge pull request. Then one step there will be confirm merge. Okay, this is the total thing you require. Then you can go and check here after a pause or a break. You can check your profile after successful merging. Okay, so this is one thing. You can do this after merging, then wait for 14 days, then you can see it will be in completed tab. Okay, so to help you guys, I thought I can do one thing, because this part is in your hand, right? You can do all these things, but this part is the work of your another friend, or maybe somebody else whose repository you are copying, or I can say fork, or sending the pull request. So for that, what I can do, I have some repository. I can suggest you guys, those who want, they can at least send me one or two pull requests to some of my repository. I mean, they can fork, then do some changes. They can send me some pull request. I will go through it. I will review it. If I feel it is good enough to merge with my repository, I will add the label and make your pull request successful towards the Hacktoberfest. So let me go to my account. Let me show you. Okay, so this is my account. Okay, and I will give the link of my account, this one, in the description below. So if you go to my repository, you can see many of the repositories are there. But I suggest here is one repository called Java Code Practice. Here you can add some Java file .java. Okay. Here you can just do it in fork. Then you can add or do some changes or add some readme file. Anything you want to do, you can do, and then send me pull request. And one more repository I can suggest for you. Also, I have something called DSA notes, data structure and algorithm notes. I have written some text file here. If you have some notes ready, if you have some related like linked list or some more things, you can also send me here. I mean, you can fork, then do the changes, then send me a pull request in this also DSA notes. What else I can suggest you? I have a good number of repository I can say. Okay, you can guys go through all of my repository. If you want to do some good contribution, you can also do any of this GCP project, anything you want to pick, you can pick, no problem. Okay. But first I will review I'm not saying that if you send me, I will just merge it. No, I will review. If I feel good, it is worth merging, then I will do it for sure. Okay. And let me do one thing. I can create one Python repository. Okay. So I'm taking DSA underscore Python. Okay. And I'm adding practice. So it is for practice purpose. If you are practicing DSA data structure and algorithm in Python, so you can add some codes of that in this repository as well. So I'm adding this and create repository. All right, so as of now, no file is there. You can also fork it and just click here, upload, create, whatever things you want to do, you can do, send me pull request, I will review and do the merging part. But it should be valuable for me, then only I will accept it. Okay, so that's all guys for this video. And I think you all got the idea how to do the things, how to create profile, how to do valuable pull request, and wait for 14 days. There might be chance if you do 14 15 pull request, 2 3 may be rejected for some reason. I'm not sure why they will be rejected, but just think of this rules and regulation. And any pull request you send to me, I will be also reviewing and giving you value towards Hacktoberfest. So that's all guys for this video. Anything else? No. I'll share all these links in the description. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe my channel, as well as share this among your friends, because this 50,000 participants, the first 50,000 participants will get only these things. Okay, so be quick. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye, take care.